Hello and welcome to another fun Friday. Today we're going to have a look at a way to play an accompaniment for Lost in Music by Sister Sledge, a song that is guaranteed to get people up and dancing pretty much straight away. You'll notice on the notes that I've put there, and remember this isn't a piano tutorial, these are the notes I use to remind me how to play it live. And it is one of the first songs we do. The C's that you see in pink are leading chord tones. So, for example, that C into the D minor 7 for the intro and chorus is because you are going to play a C into the D minor 7. So you've got C, if you do that inversion of C with G at the bottom, you only move to, effectively that's like an inversion of F, but it's over D because it's D minor 7. That's probably the main bit to get under your fingers. If you can get that rhythm sorted, the rest of it pretty much comes together itself, because the next one is going via C to G. So just the normal inversion of G, and then via a C to F over B flat, or sometimes you'll see this written as B flat major 7. But if you do an F over B flat, you get that ninth in there as well. And then you're back to the C. So this is how the tune would start. And that's it. That's what you do for the intro, and that's what you do for the chorus. When the vocals and the guitars and the drums are all coming in around that, and the bass is kicking in, that will come together as a band really well. But it does work if you want to play it solo piano as well. For the verse, there's just a change up in the rhythm, and you'll notice it doesn't jump to C quite so much, and the pattern is a bit like this. So you can put that G sus2 in. And then at the end, we're going to go between the D minor 7 and the C a couple of times. So a bit quicker. Bit of arranging with your band. Job done. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Always appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye for now.